It's the mages around the middle of the map.
Oh, there are people doing mage run. Come, quick. Inside, guys, inside. I see one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Come. On ping. Wait. Let's wait for everyone. They're trapped there. We just have to lock it here. Healers.
Yeah, can you kill the guard, please?
Okay,
Otherwise,
okay,
I'm
Yeah,
fucked.
kill the guard. We need to wait, guys. Be quick.
We all see for this.
No.
Food check as well.
Guys,
We also have to
Push
run.
it.
we might get third party there, yeah?
No, we don't
I'm
need.
good.
We don't need to see. We don't need to see.
There's no third
Nah,
party.
they're so low.
Or they're
Yo,
wiped.
okay, let's go in.
Let's go.
That
one,
one you
They're
Raven.
fighting. They're already fighting.
Yeah.
Finish off this boy.
They have a ballista.
Oh,
I got a clump. Get the ballista. We can kill him. For
Reset,
Yeah.
reset up front.
sure. Kill the realm first. Behind us, boys.
and poisoning the ballista.
Oh my gosh, kill this ballista.
Not a blister.
You hit the axe guy there.
Yo, hey, I'm gonna peel for you. Run.
Okay, okay.
Let me know when you throw next poison and I'll talk about it.
Okay, I'm gonna scout for you guys, yeah? Just in case Bluff comes.
Also loot the bodies.
Yeah, loot. Whoever can loot.
Get him, can't get him. He's under me.
Okay, come back, guys. Come back. Don't go to Trevor.
Oh, he's dismounted.
He's dismounted here.
I believe in you.
Dismounted here.
I believe in you.
Oh god.
Oh,
Okay,
fuck.
come back, guys.
Go back.
Oh no.
Careful, don't-
The Thomas gonna kill us all. Come back.
We need heals.
Come.
Run back, guys.
I have perma.
Switch, move, switch.
We can get this guy now. We can get this back.
Hey, guys, I mean,
No,
I'm
that's
under
bad.
massive pressure.
Go
Come
back.
back.
under massive pressure.
Yeah, come back.
I cannot
You can't
hold
come
this.
back now.
I'm the nature healer.
Go back.
Come back.
Rainy, run.
If you're down, you're down.
Can you talk me?
The
Ejoy, can you come here?
holy healer, can you like? Oh fuck.
Switch to revive.
Why did you guys went deep? I said no, don't go.
Switching to revive.
Kill the
What are you
small.
doing?
Did we get everything looted?
5 seconds.
Mostly.
Yeah, guys, we need to
Yo,
fuck
go
off.
guard here.
Oh my god, Klutch.
Okay.
Cool.
me.
Are you good?
Yeah.
I need heals.
Come back.
Run.
Get out of
Come
there.
downstairs. Come downstairs.
That was fucked up, boys. Why?
Yep.
Fuck me.
I'm gonna drop the Judy
We
here.
got greedy. That was not good.
Okay. Everyone seems good.
Rainy,
Did you guys loot all the bodies here?
Yeah, we're
Did you
fine.
guys
I don't know.
Energy shaper chasing us.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's an energy
Yeah,
shaper.
just stabilize
Turn
them.
on the
Run.
ellipse. We should turn on the
Stabilize
ellipse.
them.
Keep kiting.
We should kite.
Kite.
We need a
Stabilize
choke,
for
we
now,
need a choke.
Stabilize for now.
Go. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, we can fight here.
I'm
No,
gonna
no,
reset. You're all good now. You should
Don't,
be all good.
no, don't go in. Don't go to the
Yeah, I'm good.
Come here.
Guys,
Come
listen. We're gonna get third party by Bluff. Let's just fuck off. This is their
Okay,
zone.
let's go.
We got what we came for.
Yeah, let's just fuck off.
Yo,
Nobody
someone
died,
clip
right?
that. Someone clip that.
Recorded it. So fun.
So that's basically Mage Run. It's super fun.
Make sure we get there.
Let's
we
group
don't
together.
do
Don't
this
get
now.
caught.
No,
Don't
you're
get caught. Let's
Oh.
fuck off.
It's just a swarm of winged mammals.
Fuck.
Yeah, let's
We
just
can
go.
fight
Just,
them here.
Fine.
How much
Yeah,
loot do you have?
Yeah, we can fight him here. We can fight him here.
How much loot do you have?
I got 2.8.
Okay, I'm going in.
I'm going in.
Fuck me.
where are you going? You spray? What the fuck?
Yo, that guy pushed me away. I can't do anything.
Don't clump. We are clumped again, guys.
Just hit
Yeah,
this grove.
Bruiser,
Just hit
go
this
deep.
grove.
Bruiser, go
Hit
deep.
this grove. Just hit this grove.
Random.
This grove has to die. This grove has to die. This grove has to die.
Kill
Just
the
hit that
grove,
grove.
loot
Okay,
him,
grove is
and
down.
fall back.
Look at the
Fall
corner.
back.
Get this perma.
Fall back, I said. Don't
got
go
ready.
to the ferry. We are again going towards the ferry, guys. What the fuck?
Listen to the tank, guys. Listen to the tank. He's the one who's gonna
There's
give you
still loot
props.
on that body.
Fall back.
It's fine.
Don't clump.
Yeah, but
don't
don't
clump.
get greedy. Let's go up this. Back up to the choke.
We're too clump right now.
Okay, let's walk up, and if they push, we will catch them on the choke.
We can fight right here.
We
Nobody's
can
gonna.
clap those two. We
third
can clap
party
those
eyes.
3 DPS if we can
Go,
get clumped.
go. Yeah, DPS, go behind. Only
Ready?
tanks here.
Yo, look at
Ready?
this perma overextended.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, get the.
What the perma?
Look at this. Tanks overextended there.
Oh, I fucked up.
One shot crossbow here.
Careful.
Punish this Camlin. Punish
Yeah.
this Camlin.
Hit the Camlin, hit the Camlin.
Okay, go back. Don't,
Come
no,
back.
you're pushing too far.
Come back. Yeah, if any of the one-hand maces can get the chance to clump any of their DPS when they're overextended, just call it out so we can jump on it.
Yeah. Okay, I have a plan. Just walk up. Don't zone. Just walk up. I don't think they'll come now.
They're coming.
Just walk up.
They're coming.
Okay, just walk up.
Coming.
Just walk up.
Stay
Just
away
walk
from
up.
each other. Stay away
Yeah.
from each other.
Todd, come a little bit. Let them walk on that choke.
The Camlin gonna E us. Be careful, boys.
Alright. Can we go in now? Are we good to go in?
No. The battle mount is gonna fuck us up. Okay, Halber's gonna commit. Okay, we can push.
Hit this.
Yeah, push through.
Push through. I'm gonna put our Judy. We
Yo,
can
purge
push,
that
we can
soldier
push.
armor. Purge that soldier armor.
Yeah, reset on the front.
Piercing.
I purge the soldier.
Reset on the front.
Look at as ASOS that perma here.
Yeah.
I got two right
Healers
here.
are pulled back. Healers pulled back.
Don't clump. You're clumping again, guys.
Yo, look.
Hit the
Hit the Camlin.
Camlin.
Yeah, hit the Camlin.
I can hit something here in the back. You got 2 stuns over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you. Get this one.
Nice
Nice.
one.
Got pepper on. Oh,
Yo,
my.
Camlin is very low.
Okay.
Nice. Come back.
Loot up and go back.
Rainy, come back.
Yeah, I'm fine, man. I'm played.
Go back.
I'm full on loot now.
Spring.
Okay, I need some
Careful.
peeling.
Yeah, we need help. Spring's gonna get fucked.
Oh, Spring there.
I got a clump.
Yeah.
Look
Silence.
at the frost here, Razor.
My phone was down.
Our
Nice,
GP.
Razor's down. Look at Raphael.
Oh, get out of that.
Get the Camlin.
Get out of the Great X.
Okay, go back.
promise on.
They have firewall there.
Come
Don't go
back. Come back.
Yep, I'm okay.
Oh,
And there's a
another
blob
Should
coming.
reset here.
Mount up. There is another
Rainy, fall
blob.
back. Rainy, fall
Come
back.
back.
Yep.
Okay, run.
Come back.
Run if you can.
Run, yeah.
Yeah, I should be able to.
You're good, Rainy. You're good.
It's just it's the other scout here. We'll go.
Okay, we should be fine.
He still has that burning from brimstone.
Camlin's running in.
So the Oran, he should have been.
That's
out.
okay.
I'm fine,
just
don't
keep
worry.
running.
Don't
Fine.
pull, don't, yeah.
You guys just
No,
zone if you want.
mount up. There is another blob. We're not gonna
I
fight
can
this one.
just sprint through and mount up on the other side.
It's
This
fine.
guy's alone, actually.
Yeah, he's alone.
one's
He's
a-
looking
no,
for.
no,
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 no.
no.
He's baiting. He's baiting.
This is how
He's
you
better.
die.
So I'm. I have to fuck